watching my channel, this might be hella confusing as to what the heck is going on. I actually sold my headlights. I made a post. I put them up for sale and they sold in 20 minutes. So I kind of, here's the thing. Okay, when these headlights first came out, I wasn't sure if I wanted them just because I knew everybody on YouTube was gonna go ahead and abuse them. And of course, that's exactly what happens. Well, I want to flex too, sir. I'm just trying to be like John, my twin. I went ahead and grabbed a set of Morimoto headlights, and I actually, well, my car, this isn't gonna be a VR video obviously today. There is quite a bit of an update, but I'll get on that later in the video. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and install these headlights, just jump right into it, just because I'm super hyped to see how they're gonna look. And then I can throw this bumper in the paint once the car is rolling. Like I said, update about that, but right now, let's just install those. So as you guys can see, I did get a little bit too ahead of myself, and I did make an Instagram flex, so I did actually open this up already. Let me actually put you guys down so I can get this box out. I want to show you guys what it comes with. Alright, this is headlight number 1. I'm gonna get these off so you guys can see. And I'm actually gonna try to put the headlight on here. Let's put it in the sun. I want you guys to see the full flex. These things are so gorgeous. Like, I really wanted these, but I knew everybody was gonna get it, but I can't. Okay, so look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. This is so satisfying. You ready? God, that's so clean. Oh my God, dude. Okay, well, first things first, looks like we start with instructions, so just kidding, I actually need that. These do come with a plug of some sort. Now I have seen a couple of these videos of people installing, but I'm not gonna lie to you, I didn't really pay attention on how to install because it didn't really apply to me, but I kind of wish I did, so whatever, we're just gonna do it live. But it does come with instructions and a whole lot of plastic. All right, let's see. Well, I hope these are instructions and not just like some flex guide. How you doing today?
Now you're talking. Porsche.
No, this is 370Z Nissan.
No, but
you have a Porsche?
Well, I did, 911. Canon.
And you're a Nikon guy too?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Alright, well that was pretty cool. Met up with some neighbors, they're actually pretty awesome. And oddly enough, from Dade County also, so what are the chances? But now down to the Morimoto headlights. You have to go on the website to actually get the instructions, so we're gonna do it live. We're just gonna wing it. Let's get started. It looks pretty simple. So this looks like it's just going to go into the fuse box. Then you have your actual plugs that go into the headlights. It just spreads out from left to right. I already went ahead and spread it out. I'm just going to actually just go ahead and install it on the car. And it should just be pretty simple from this point. It's not rocket science, but I am actually going to go look into where that's actually going to plug in. So that way I don't plug it into the incorrect fuse or something. But it's pretty cut and dry. If you've already taken off your headlights before, it's literally the same process, but in reverse. In the end, I did have to actually look in the instructions. Oh my God. So you do have to pull up the fuse box. To unlock this, there are 2 little tabs on the bottom. Well, this is the top. There's 2 little tabs that you gotta release, and then just get a flathead and push this out from the top here and just slide back up. It's the one that says starter, which is 10A. Should be, I guess we're gonna tap into that one right there. So that's the 10 that we're gonna just go ahead and take out, and then we're gonna tap into this, so that way the DRLs for the headlights can work too. And also for anybody else that decides to sell their headlights before even receiving the new ones, there is a bracket that you have to take off the back of your old headlights to put on here. So I do not have mine. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and try and see if maybe I can pick one off a used car. And I have to take everything back off when the time comes when this car is about to go out anyway. So for now, it stays on. Let's finish this. I got some needle nose pliers. Where the hell? Oh, there they are. Needle nose pliers, and let's get started. Tapping this starter was such a pain in the ass. You literally have to cut so much of the fuse box for this wire to fit properly, but boy, ooh, damn, man, look at, oh my God, bro. So the sequential works. Let's just double check. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the lights again, make sure that side is good. And oh my God, these things look so hard, bro. Dude, okay, I understand the hype, dude. Oh my, bro, even during the day, these things are bright, bro. Holy crap, dude. These are sexy. holy crap. Okay, so I'm not gonna kill my battery. I'm gonna turn everything off again, finish up the other side. But for anybody who's actually gonna do this, dude, be ready for an absolute headache, because that tapping in the starter, it was terrible. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the cowl back on and get started on the other side. This side's done for now until I get those brackets. I will have to take these off again. That wiring, just letting you know, it's not that, I've heard that the Morimoto wiring is a little bit short. It's not that it's short, it's just stupid. Again, I really hope they find a better way, and maybe like the next versions or maybe an update, that they're gonna find something else to tap, or you know, something that you won't have to modify your fuse box lid just for it to fit. Dude, these are insane. This looks so good. Holy crap, bro. Wow, and I'm freezing. My hands are like so ashy. Dude, these are, I can understand the flex. Like, bro, look at it in the light. Oh my gosh. All right, so one thing I do love, again, like the sequentials, bro. Like, check these out. You ready? Watch the flex, watch the flex. Ooh, look at that. Both sides work. I finally got the power to work, so this. Look at that, bro. It's clean. And these are a lot brighter. These, oh my gosh. That shit is, oh my lord. Oh my god. Oh. These look so good, dude. And this is in the daylight, and they look so good. So these are perfect lights for people like, okay, because I kind of live like country, not countryside, but it gets really, really dark here. These headlights, I will insert a night clip here. These headlights are super, super bright, and if you're in like a city area, it's probably gonna bother the hell out of people that are in front of you. But if you live in areas like me, dude, these are flex. So now I gotta get that bumper painted, bro, because the front end is starting to come together so much. I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting everything back on and all that jazz, and then we're gonna go ahead. And then also the last thing, you guys might notice that my sub harness is missing, and unfortunately, the reason why my car hasn't started yet, oh my god, I'm freezing. The reason why my car hasn't started yet is because my sub harness was actually messed up. So I had to actually get someone to make me an entire sub harness for the car. The way that it was, and you know, I'm not throwing shade. I'm not upset, because I did get hooked up with that harness, and I feel like, well, I am upset, and let me not lie, you know, like, of course I want this thing to drive ready, but I got hooked up, and you know, I'm not gonna be a jerk. And the thing is, Z1 has already done this multiple times, so they know how to wire it up like 100%, what works and what doesn't work. So they're gonna handle the harness. John's gonna tune the car. Like, this car is gonna be pretty much like a Z1 catalog car. Dude, jeez. So clean. All right, so we're wrapped up. It's looking good. Harness is being done. John's gonna tune it. It's pretty much gonna be a Z1 catalog car, but this is, you know, it's still my car. I'm still gonna do all the work on it. It's at least for those certain aspects right now, I'm gonna get that help from Z1. And honestly, I couldn't be more thankful, because getting this job, not only is everyone like super dope and everything, but everyone's been pretty cool about like my car and just asking me when it's gonna be done, pressuring me to finish it, and also just, I don't know, just can't wait to ride out with all of them, install some more hot boy crap, because bro, these are hot, these are hot, these are hot. So we're gonna do a lot of hot boy shit, and I can't wait. So I already finished installing my one hot boy part. At 1 out of 10, I always like to rate my installs like of how difficult it is. I would say this is like a 2. The only reason it would even be a 2 is just because of the fact that the wire that goes to the starter to tap in, it's just kind of annoying. You have to cut it a little bit, but overall, it's a good flex. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, because it does help. Please hit that like button, because it puts me back in the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, just if you want to see more, man, this car should be driving pretty soon, but I think what I'm gonna keep doing is installing more hot boy shit. I'm tired of leaving it in that beater race car stage. This car deserves a little bit more. I need to change the front tires, lower the front a little bit. I need to paint that bumper. Harness needs to come on. Interior, I need to finish. I need a shift boot and also a passenger seat. So we have still, and also taillights are going to be changed. So I don't know. Leave in the comments what you guys think I should do next, because I'm just kind of focused a little bit more on exterior while I'm waiting on the harness. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you haven't yet subscribed already, what you doing, fam? Gotta get that flex one more time. Oof. Maybe the next move is a hood.